to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and get notified when the video drops. Okay, so that was Salim sir explaining how Beach Raste was made. Obviously, he's going to dig deep into the session in the next few days and give us a breakdown video of how the song was done. Now we're going to add Sulaiman sir. Where is... Yep. Sent a request to Sulaiman sir. He is going to be on very, very soon. I'm so excited. Beach Raste is really killing it. You guys are loving it. I'm so excited with the response. Thank you guys. Arman Malik Zone, Arman's Heart. Love you guys. Okay, so Sulaiman sir is here. Hi sir, how are you?
Hey Arman, how are you?
All good, all good. What's up? What's happening?
Nothing much is happening. We're just enjoying
I think
all the... Is it better now?
The network's much better now. Yeah, super.
Yeah. I was saying we're just enjoying all the love and adulation you've been getting from Beach Raste. It's such an unusual track to have on on a non-film scenario.
Exactly. That's what I was telling Salim sir, that no one's attempted to do and taken the risk actually. It's probably because in India we don't consider something like this as like a non-film or a film song or whatever. I don't think anyone's as adventurous and risk taking as much as you guys and all of us. I think we want to push the envelope,
Of course, always.
So
and the idea is to be able to cater to all types of audiences. I know we have a huge background in terms of Sufi songs and all of that, all the love songs and Sufi songs. And we thought, we need to do a song that breaks the clutter and it takes away the myth that Salim Sulaiman do only Sufi songs.
It's like how I only sing romantic songs. That's what people think I'm known for.
Yeah. And it starts with Aulia.
Oh,
one of the romantic songs. You forgot about that one. I was hearing the conversation with you and Salim.
By the way, I need to tell everyone out here on the live that Aulia was a life-changing song for me. My very first award in life. I never received any award before that. My very first award in life was because of Aulia. And I have Salim sir and Sulaiman sir to thank for this song because honestly, it was the underdog of that album. It didn't get promoted as much. I did a video for it because I was in love with the song. And to be honest, when it got recognized and when it got that award, for me, that was such a boost as a personal thing, like I felt like, wow, good music, gets its due somewhere or the other. So thank you.
We've realized one thing, that it doesn't matter what kind of film it is and what the life of the film is. If there's a good song in the film, it will stand out. A classic case is Qurban, because if you hear Qurban, if you see the film, it didn't do really well, but all the songs in Qurban are like massive, super hits.
Massive.
But Arman, what did you think of the video when you first saw it?
So honestly, I need to tell you something. I was really nervous because we had shared a lot of ideas and we were like, okay, kaise hone wala hai? We're not sure whether animation is going to work. And Salim sir didn't share the video with me until it was like finally done. And I was shitting in my pants. I was like, "Arey bura ho gaya to matlab kya hone wala abhi release." These days is just now. And when
come on, Arman.
I was blown away. I was blown away because firstly, I never knew that it could be pulled off the way we were imagining it. It does not look like something that's been done from here. It definitely feels like it's up there in the global, with the global stuff, and Shakti has done a fabulous job with his team and everyone it just looks so good. And honestly, if you see that video and you see any other normal video, this will stand out. This will make you want to see the song, hear the song. I think that's what's happened with Beach Raste. Song is awesome, but what that extra thing with Addy and Ada and these characters, I think it's beautiful. It's amazing.
So you should know that this started out of Majburi.
I know.
Because we were under lockdown, there was really no other option
There are so many
to go out and shoot.
Yeah.
And we were thinking, yaar, kya kare, kaise kare? And we were sitting and we were fiddling around with our phones as usual. And that's when we decided, कि यार इसको let's do an Animoji character. And then Shakti took it way forward and he said, you know, let's do a song. It's a drive song anyways. It's Beach Raste.
Yeah.
It's a very drivey kind of song. So we then set about creating the whole drive experience. And I think Shaq has done a great job with, you know, taking the futuristic approach and a futuristic car with futuristic moon and sun and all the Jupiter rings and
just to take Addy and Ada to a different universe altogether. I think that was superb. A great job.
Yeah, all thanks to Shaq. I'm glad. I am hoping that all the audiences have gone and seen. I'm guessing all your big fans have gone and seen it a few times.
After this live is done, please go check it out if you haven't. Beach Raste's music video is out there on Salim Sulaiman's YouTube channel. And it's available everywhere on every store you can imagine it to be on. And
Yep.
just go play it, see it, view it, and share it with your friends because it's a really special one. And it's something that's really, really new for India. So just go check it out.
Lovely. Okay, I'm going to take off.
I want to ask you something.
Go on.
So when it comes to the song, look, the song took a lot of different shapes over the period of time. पहले कुछ और ही था हम लोग ने जब रिकॉर्ड किया था and then by the time it released it became something else. So what are the whole process of for you in terms of I know you're a groove master. The way you just set the groove, it sets the whole vibe in place. So how did you go about like creating the vibe that there is right now in the track? How did it change over a period of time?
So you know, I was actually tripping on Charlie Puth.
Okay.
For the longest time, and I wanted.
Well, even
Exactly. And so when we started, I was thinking of attention.
Correct.
And I was saying, yeah, this, you know, our song, obviously it's 2 years old, this composition, but it lends so well into that genre of music. The easy dance, not too aggressive.
Yeah.
A chill drive. It's fun pop. I would call it fun pop. Yes. And so that was where it started from. And of course, then I put on a groove, a different groove, and then I sent it to Salim, and then Salim took it, and then Raj took it, and Raj took it forward a little bit more, and then it just that those files have been traveling back and forth from one computer to the other, like a crazy.
The ones that come in just before the chorus.
Yeah,
that's like a classic thing that you hear in Daft Punk's stuff, and
it's classic retro actually.
Yeah, retro. Like I don't know if it's disco, but I think like I love toms. I'm in love with toms, and when it comes just before the drop, it has a different impact altogether.
When is your birthday? I'll gift you a set of toms. You can play with them.
By the way, I need it right now.
Oh yes, it did. Yes.
Please send them over.
As soon as lockdown is over, I shall send you a couple of.
Armal's Musicology says, I love those sick beats. So the fans are in love with not only the song and the video, but also the beats. So it's pretty cool. I think Sulaiman sir is just hung. Some network issues. Arman Malik style being Arman Malik. I think Sulaiman sir just left the chat. Just gonna bring him on again. Okay, just added him again. Armal's adorer, हमसे बात कर लो. हाँ बाबा, आपसे बात करने वाला हूँ मैं very soon. But I wanted you guys to know what went behind the song. आप लोग always पूछते रहते हैं ना BTS BTS. तो ये real behind the scenes यहाँ पे हो रहा है. But I'm going to talk to you guys in a bit, for sure. Armalian_superstars. I'll be adding Ada very soon. But before I add Ada, there's someone really special that I want to add. Okay, I don't think they're there. Okay, some issues are happening, but no problem. I'll talk to you guys in the meanwhile. T_Dolker_Nubs. I love the usernames. They're so unique. Alag-alag naam hai sabke. Okay, Armalian_superstars. Sing Beach Raste. Okay, I'm going to be singing a few lines of Beach Raste. लकीरों से हम मुड़ गए, बहकते ये कदम जुड़ गए. लकीरों से मुड़ गए, बहकते कदम जुड़ गए. ये क्या फसाना कह गए बीच रास्ते. That was a little bit of Beach Raste. I want to sing the whole thing when Ada comes on. So, waiting for her. Let's see if we can add Ada actually. Is Ada here? कहाँ हो Ada? Addy बुला रहा है. I don't know why I can't add people. Salim sir says beautiful. Thank you, Salim sir. Lots of love. I'm not being able to add. Okay, I need to restart this live. So I'm going to end this and start a new one because I'm not being able to add more people. Going to be coming back. Thamba, ruko. aa raha hu main wapas.